Unlocking luck. A dive into hoping for good luck. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's as hopeful as it is universal: hoping for good luck. This expression is rich in meaning and is used by people all around the world in their daily lives. So, if you've ever wondered about the depths of this optimistic phrase, you're in the right place. Let's unlock the secrets behind hoping for good luck together. Hoping for good luck is an expression filled with optimism and desire for positive outcomes. To hope means to wish for something to happen or be true, even if it's not likely. Good luck, on the other hand, refers to favorable circumstances or outcomes. When combined, this phrase embodies a wish for the stars to align in one's favor, for things to turn out well against all odds. It's a powerful sentiment that captures the essence of human hope and resilience. This phrase can be used in a variety of situations, from the most casual to the more significant moments in life. Whether someone is taking an exam, going for a job interview, or embarking on a new adventure, saying they're hoping for good luck is a way of expressing their wishes for a positive result. It's also a phrase that bonds people, offering a way to show support and solidarity. By telling someone you're hoping for good luck for them, you're essentially saying, "I'm rooting for you." It's fascinating to note how the concept of good luck varies across different cultures, yet the hope for it remains a universal feeling. In some cultures, there are specific rituals and symbols associated with attracting good luck, such as lucky charms or specific actions. Understanding these cultural nuances can enrich your appreciation of the phrase, hoping for good luck, and highlight the shared human experience of seeking favor from the universe. We hope this exploration of the phrase, hoping for good luck, has shed light on its deeper meanings and uses. It's a simple expression, yet it holds the weight of our desires, aspirations, and the universal human experience of hope. May this video inspire you to keep hoping for good luck in all your endeavors. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the emotions and connections they evoke. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, we're hoping for good luck in your journey of English language learning.